Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As y'all can see right now, I look very rough. My hair haven't been done. I don't have the patience to sit and get it done. I'm about to try to do it. We're about to try and put this wig on. Y'all, this wig done been through some stuff, not gonna lie. It's washed. I threw it in the closet though, so it looked very rough and it sounded rough. The color is like terrible job, because okay, let me tell you. At first it was a black wig, and then I had bleached the money piece and back here, and I did like a teal color. It was cute. I'm gonna see if I can insert a picture. And then after it was teal, I did a whole bleach bath, bleached the whole thing. Not the best. I think my cousin did it for me. She did a big bleach bath on it, and then I have worn like this color, and it's been that color for some years now. And then like a year or two ago, I put pink, like whatever pink color I had left in my drawer, and that's how it looked. But this is not really bothering me as much as it should. But I'm about to try to put this on because I'm tired of messing with my own hair, and I haven't put on a wig in over 2 years, 3 years. So we're gonna try. This needs to be flat ironed. Yeah, real bad. So after I do whatever, I'm gonna flat iron it. So I'm gonna start off. First of all, I'm gonna detangle this mess. I don't even know where my detangling brush is at. It goes right here. I'm gonna wet it just a little bit. Detangle it. Probably just put some conditioner on it. Yeah, I'm gonna put some conditioner on it. And then detangle it. And that's it. I mean, then wash it. Oops. I clearly don't know the process I'm doing. I keep telling you I'm not no hairstylist. It's gonna take so long. I don't even want to start. I feel like that's the problem. Like, I be feeling like I don't have no time in the day, but there's 24 hours in the day. Like, okay, so all I did was put some water in it, and that helped a lot because it was just dry. Y'all know color, fox color. That's why I'm letting this crap grow out, because I don't have the patience to properly maintain it. When I did it, I just wanted to see something different with my hair, because I was never allowed to color my hair. You know, black parents. My mama never had no color in her hair, I don't think. So she don't want me to dye my hair. She won't let my little sister dye her hair. And then I'm about to wash it, and then I'm gonna have to braid it down. I mean, I can't do that in front of y'all. I gotta go sit on the floor in a room in front of the mirror. Yeah, I can't. I'll be back when I get it braided down. Okay, so this is the braid down. This is the best I got. This is what I got. This is the most I had patience for. About to take this Got2b and put my edges back. A little bit too. I remember that much. I haven't put on a wig in a very long time, since 2022. So bear with me. And I'm going off muscle memory. I'm not gonna look up anything. Ew, that was gross. And it's only a little closure wig, so I might just leave some edges out just in case I want to put it in a ponytail one day. Y'all hear that? So embarrassing. Oh my gosh. I should have got the blow dryer. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty flat. Like, once I put the wig cap on, it'll be flat. But right now, it's a little questionable. Okay, so, my camera about to die. Y'all let me skip a step. And I'm about to be y'all. Like, y'all supposed to be here helping me. And y'all not even helping. Y'all let me, I look like a freaking octopus. Like, what is y'all even here for if y'all not gonna help me? And so, you know what? Why would y'all even do that? Thank you. Snippy, snippy, snip, snip. Luckily, it's not a brand new wig because I'll be losing it right about now. Do I want to cut all this stuff off? Just cut some of it off. I don't need all of it. I'm just put it like this. The camera works with it. Okay, hold on, let me get the wig. Okay, so time for the glue. And they say 3 layers. Let it turn white in between. I got this kind of glue. I don't know nothing about it. It was in the hair store. You know what? Maybe I should. Okay. It'll turn white in between. I mean clear. I know this is part of the step, but I don't know which part. I think it's after I put this on, put the wig on. I found the color spray. This is the color I got. I don't know if it match or not. Can't tell you. I got this band. I had a pretty leopard one, which I don't really know what that's it. But I'm gonna do it anyway. The color on the closure. And that's enough. It looks like this. And that's enough of the logo. Okay. You gotta put it on, okay? I feel like I messed up because that piece was white right there. But I feel like I can fix it. Anything's possible. So that's what it looks like. Okay? I look like I got the like holiday. Is it even? No, it's not.
Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, a wife about it. I'm a fucking friends with no metro house.
Okay, let me put the band on. Okay. Will I ever do this again? Possibly. Right about now? I don't know. But I need to flat iron it so it don't look like a hat. And I think that's what I'm about to do right now while I wait. So like, I need to wash my hands so I got the glue on the back.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for immunity. Man, beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case it get murdered. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different.
Okay, band off. I don't. So like, I don't know. I don't like the front. Like, I don't like. I don't like the front. Like, I don't know what to do to it. It just look like a helmet. Crazy. Like, it just, in the middle is just so rough. Probably make that silicone stuff. But what am I supposed to do up here? See, come on. You're trying to show me. What you showing me? You gonna be right back?
Mama,
Yes, if I like
Mama,
take the bunny piece,
Mama,
slip it down, and then ooh, good job, baby. You did a good job building that tower. You built that tower real good, baby.
Mama, shovel.
Yeah, tower. Like, you just keep sliding up. And need to stay right here. I don't know how to tighten it up in there. Okay, y'all, so this is only how I know how to fix it. Because I don't want to take it off. So I don't feel like doing nothing to my natural. So yeah, this is the best way I like it. I wish I knew how to cut layers because I can see it like blowing like, you know? Yeah. Like this, it don't look that bad, but I just don't know what to do with it. Honestly, let me look it up. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know. Maybe I should try to pull some edges out. That would help it a little bit. I don't know how much they are. Let's see. Okay, so this is like the final product. It's not the best, not the worst. It is what it is.